Hello dear students, in this segment of molecular orbital theory, we will see combination of atomic orbitals. That is the linear combination of atomic orbitals. How many possibilities are there? Here, title linear combination of atomic orbitals. How many possibilities are there? We know that conditions for combination of atomic orbitals, energy must be same or nearly same. Symmetry of molecular orbitals must be same or nearly same. These are the favorable conditions for linear combination of atomic orbitals. Here first possibility SS overlapping, that is SS combination, SS overlap. Yani linear combination of two s atomic orbitals. Second one is sp. Third one is linear combination of pp. Fourth one is a linear combination of pd. Fifth one, linear combination of dd. So all these are the possibilities. Remember, molecular orbital theory is related to formation of covalent bond. And there is a combination of atomic orbitals, overlapping of atomic orbitals. So we will see one by one. So first, SS combination, yani combination of two s atomic orbitals. This is the first SS combination or SS overlap. Yani s atomic orbital of one atom and s atomic orbital of another atom, there is a linear combination. And when linear combination of these two atomic orbitals, there is a formation of bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding and anti-bonding. So here, case 1, when a sign of wave function and a positive overlap, yani when sign of wave function is the same, sign of wave function is same. Sign of wave function of atomic orbitals is the same. This is also known as a positive overlap and a positive overlap. Example of this, remember when there is a s atomic orbital, we can take hydrogen. Because in hydrogen there is only s atomic orbital. So hydrogen H, an example of this is H2, hydrogen molecule. Here two atoms of hydrogen, hydrogen is a diatomic. So we have taken sign of wave function is same, that is positive overlap. This is the wave function of first hydrogen. Here it is positive wave function of first hydrogen and a positive wave function of second hydrogen. And this is theta first hydrogen and a theta and a wave function of second hydrogen. And here it is a positive overlap, positive wave function of first hydrogen, positive wave function of second hydrogen. There is an addition and this overlap is said to be positive overlap. And a formation of bonding molecular orbital. Here a formation of bonding molecular orbital. Like this. This is symmetrical. Yani we can write this is psi H2. This psi indicates a wave function of hydrogen molecule. Wave function of this hydrogen molecule. And this is the molecular orbital. And here this is bonding molecular orbital. This is also known as a bonding molecular orbital. This is symmetrical, so we can write psi G. G and G red and symmetrical, psi G. Symmetrical. Now what is second possibility? When the sign of wave function is different. When the sign of wave function is different. यानी there is a positive negative overlap. We know that when there is a positive overlap and when sign of wave function is same, then addition of waves, and when there is addition of waves, formation of bonding molecular orbital. Now I have taken here sign is different, that is positive negative overlap. This is the positive wave function of one hydrogen and negative wave function of another hydrogen, like this. So this overlap is said to be a positive negative overlap. And remember, there is subtraction when sign is different, because here we have taken wave nature of an atom. Not like valence bond theory, positive negative, there is attraction. And a positive spin of one electron, negative spin of another electron, there is a force of attraction, because electron spin gets neutralized and formation of bond. But here we have to consider positive wave function. Here we have to consider wave function of an atom, because atom has dual nature, dual character, particle as well as wave. In case number 1, positive, there is addition and a positive overlap, formation of bonding molecular orbital. Here there is a force of attraction. Now here there is a subtraction, and here it is formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is the wave function of what? That is wave function of hydrogen 1. This is wave function of hydrogen 2. Here it is a psi star H2. Remember, star indicates anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. And this line is said to be node. This is node which bisect these two, isn't it? So this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. If we compare stability of bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital, remember bonding molecular orbital is more stable than anti-bonding molecular orbital, because the potential energy of bonding molecular orbital is less compared to anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here actual bond formation takes place here. SS, so this is SS overlapping. Bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical and this is unsymmetrical, so we can write in bracket U yani ungeared, that is unsymmetrical. Example of this type, hydrogen, that is H2. Now second type, SP. Any doubt about this? SP overlap and a linear combination of S atomic orbital of one atom and P atomic orbital of another atom. Actually, wave function of S atomic orbital of one atom and a wave function of P atomic orbital of another. That is here SP overlap. Example, S and there is a hydrogen, HF, hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, etc. All these are the examples of SP overlappings and a linear combination of S atomic orbital of hydrogen and a P atomic orbital of fluorine. Again, sign is the same and sign is different. So here first, when sign of wave function is same, and this overlap is said to be positive overlap. Positive overlap. Now I will take S atomic orbital and a wave function of S atomic orbital of hydrogen. Here it is positive. And I will take px of fluorine, because this atomic orbital lies along internuclear axis. This is the internuclear axis. And when atomic orbitals lies along internuclear axis, there is a possibility of head-to-head overlapping. And we know that S atomic orbital gives only sigma bond. So here, Px of fluorine positive, and here it is negative. Here it is a Px, and here it is S. And this is the wave function of hydrogen, and this is the wave function of fluorine. Linear combination of these two. This overlap is said to be positive overlap, an addition of waves. We can say addition of waves. We can say addition of waves. So this is positive, and here formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital, like this. Here formation of bonding molecular orbital. So this is psi HF. This is a bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. This is symmetrical. Take this only. This is symmetrical, and we can write that is psi HFG. And a linear combination of s atomic orbital of hydrogen and p atomic orbital of fluorine. Here a positive wave function is headed towards positive wave function of what? Fluorine. So here addition sign is same. Positive sign is same. So there is addition of waves, and when addition of waves, formation of bonding molecular orbital. Now here second, that is when sign of wave function, when sign of wave function is different, यानी positive negative overlap, positive negative overlap. I will take s atomic orbital and a wave function of s atomic orbital as it is. This is wave function of hydrogen. Now here I will take negative. This negative sign indicates negative electron density, and here I will take positive. This is the wave function of what? Fluorine. So here definitely positive negative, yani negative head of this wave function headed towards positive, and a positive negative there is a subtraction, yani positive negative overlap. This overlap is said to be positive negative overlap, and there is subtraction of waves. There is a subtraction of waves, and when there is a subtraction of waves, formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here this is node, this is positive low, this is negative positive, and here it is what? Positive. There is a repulsion, and this is said to be what? Psi star HF, which is unsymmetrical. And this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Positive addition of waves, formation of bonding molecular orbital, which is symmetrical. This is the bonding molecular orbital. Actual bond takes place here. Here positive negative, subtraction of waves. This overlap is said to be positive negative overlap, and when there is a positive negative overlap, formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is about sp overlap. Third, pp overlap. Example of pp overlap. Remember, in case of pp overlap, there are two possibilities: formation of sigma molecular orbital and formation of pi molecular orbital. Here third one, pp overlap. pp overlap. So first, formation of sigma molecular orbitals. Remember, in case of s atomic orbital is spherical, non-directional. And remember, non-directional atomic orbital can form only sigma bond. But p atomic orbital, and px, py, pz, all these are non-directional. Directional. So can form sigma as well as pi bond. So here, formation of sigma bonds. When there is a formation of sigma bonds, remember, when there is a direct overlapping, head-to-head overlapping between atomic orbitals, it gives sigma bond. In case of s atomic orbital, it gives only sigma bond because it is a non-directional. When p atomic orbitals lies along internuclear axis, I will take here again case number 1, when positive overlap and a sign of wave function is same. sign of wave function is same, यानी there is a positive overlap. Positive overlap. Here we are dealing with formation of sigma molecular orbitals and a direct overlapping is required. P atomic orbitals must lies along x-axis, that is internuclear axis. Here this is the internuclear axis. Suppose this is the internuclear axis. This is 1p atomic orbital and a wave function of 1p atomic orbital. Here it is positive, negative amplitude. This is the px of one atom combination with px of another. Here it is positive, here it is negative. This is the px of another. Example of this, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, etc. Even oxygen, nitrogen, because in oxygen also there is one sigma bond and one pi bond, isn't it? Here we can take oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Now positive, there is an addition. What? There is addition. And when there is addition, that is said to be positive overlap. This is positive overlap. An addition of these two waves. Here a formation of bonding molecular orbital like this. Here a formation of bonding molecular orbital like this. Isn't it? Negative lobe, shrinking of negative lobe. Here also shrinking of negative lobe because there is interaction. And here addition of these two and a formation of bonding molecular orbital. This is what? Psi. This is a bonding molecular orbital. This is the wave function of one atom. This is the wave function of another atom. We have taken sign same. And a positive wave function headed towards positive wave function of another atom. Here a formation of bonding molecular orbital. This is symmetrical, so we can write psi g. Second, B, sign of wave function. Sign of wave function is different or opposite. यानी positive negative overlap. Positive negative overlap. I will take this atomic orbital as it is. Here it is positive negative px, but here I will take a negative wave function of this. Here it is like this. Addition of these two. Actually there is subtraction because positive headed towards negative. And this is a positive negative overlap, and then there is a subtraction. And remember, when there is subtraction, there is a repulsion between these two and a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is a node. It is like this. Positive, negative. This is node, and this is psi star. This is unsymmetrical, and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Which one is more stable? This bonding molecular orbital is more stable. This is sigma. This is sigma bond. This is sigma molecular atomic orbital. This is sigma star, isn't it? Because here formation of sigma bond. So this is the bonding molecular orbital. This is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here it is direct overlapping, head to head overlapping. So here we can write here sigma G. This is sigma star U. G and G red, that is symmetrical. U and G red, that is unsymmetrical. So here formation of sigma bond. Now second, formation of pi molecular orbitals. Formation of pi molecular orbitals. We can take Py or Pz for this because the position of Py and Pz perpendicular to internuclear axis. Isn't it? So here formation of pi molecular orbitals. Again, first, when the sign of wave function is the same, that is a positive overlap. Here you can take py, suppose this is the py, which is perpendicular to internuclear axis. This is py, this is the internuclear axis. Second py, and a wave function of p atomic orbital of another atom. This is another py. Linear combination of these two, here it is a positive positive and negative negative, yani this is the positive positive overlap and addition of waves. Addition of waves. This positive sign indicates that is electron density. Now here addition of these two waves and a formation of bonding molecular orbital like this. Here it is formation of bonding molecular orbital. It is negative. Positive positive addition. So here it is formation of what? Pi bonding molecular orbital. Here it is sidewise overlap. Sidewise, and remember when sidewise overlapping is there, that overlapping is also known as the lateral overlapping. Then there is a formation of pi bond, because here these two p atomic orbitals are perpendicular to internuclear axis. This is the internuclear axis. Here formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. Case number 2. When sign of wave function is different in a positive negative overlap, I will take p atomic orbital, first p atomic orbital like this, positive negative py, and second here I will take negative and here I will take positive. So here positive negative negative positive, there is subtraction, and this overlap is said to be positive negative overlap. And remember, when positive negative overlap formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital, it is like this. Positive negative, positive negative, negative positive. This is pi star, and this is anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is the wave function of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. So we can write psi star here. This is the psi because this is the bonding molecular orbital. Psi any wave function of bonding molecular orbital. Psi star any wave function of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Actual bond formation takes place here, pi bond formation. Here there is no bond formation. If we compare symmetry of this is exceptional case here. This is a nodal plane. Above this positive electron density, below this negative, and we can say this is unsymmetrical. This is what? Unsymmetrical. In case of anti-bonding of this, see here, suppose here it is a plane. Positive positive mirror image. Suppose this one is the plane. Negative negative overlap. Sorry, mirror image. Negative negative. And we can say anti-bonding molecular orbital is what? Symmetrical here. That is G, pi star G. In some books it is given like this. Yani, when sign of wave function is same and when p atomic orbitals are perpendicular, there is no direct overlapping. There is a sidewise overlapping only. Yani overlapping in case of valence bond theory, Weyerhaeusen, that is like this. Sidewise overlapping. So here formation of bonding molecular orbital. Here sign is different and subtraction of waves, formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Remember, in case of SS overlapping, bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical, anti-bonding molecular orbital is unsymmetrical. In case of SP overlapping, bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical, anti-bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical. In case of PP, when there is the formation of what? Sigma molecular orbitals, bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical, anti-bonding molecular orbital is unsymmetrical. But remember, when there is a formation of pi molecular orbitals, the bonding molecular orbital is unsymmetrical and anti-bonding molecular orbital is symmetrical. Is it clear? Next one, there is a PD overlapping. There is a PD overlapping. यानी p atomic orbital of one atom and d atomic orbital of another atom. pd overlapping number of fourth, pd overlap यानी p atomic orbital यानी wave function of p atomic orbital of one atom and wave function of d atomic orbital of another atom. It is like this. Again, first that is the sign of wave function. Sign of wave function is same. And we can say positive overlap. I will take py. Here it is positive, negative. This is the py of one atom. And d, here positive, negative, like this. Positive, negative. This is the py. Suppose this is the dxy. And a linear combination of these two. This is a positive overlap. Positive, negative headed towards each other. And a formation of a bonding molecular orbital. Here it is like this. Here it is positive overlap. Here it is nodal plane. Here negative. And here positive, negative, opposite lobes, shrinking of a what? Opposite lobe. Here positive and negative. This is the bonding molecular orbital. This is the bonding molecular orbital. B, when sign is different, when sign of wave function is different, when sign of wave function is different, I will take this py as it is positive, negative. This is a py. But here I will take opposite, negative, positive. This is the dxy. Positive, positive. So this is the positive, negative overlap and a subtraction of waves and a formation of what? This is the node. Formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Like this. Negative, positive. So this is anti-bonding molecular orbital, ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital. When the sign is same, formation of bonding molecular orbital. When the sign is a different, positive, negative and negative, positive, and a positive amplitude of 1, negative of second, negative of first, positive of second, here formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. And that is the fifth one, DD overlap. In case of metal bond, there is a possibility of DD overlap. In case of complex, there is a possibility of DD overlap. Fifth one, DD overlap. For this, I will take dx square minus y square of first. Suppose this is y axis, this is x axis, this is x, this is y. This is dx square minus y square of first. Here it is positive, negative, positive. Similarly, second. Here it is positive, negative. This is x axis. This is y. Here it is negative, positive. Addition of these two. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. And a formation of bonding molecular orbital. Here it is positive, negative. It will be like this. Here it is negative, negative. This is nodal plane. This is internuclear axis, not exactly nodal plane. Again here positive, positive. It will be like this. Here it is positive, positive. And finally negative, negative. Negative, negative. And this is the bonding molecular orbital. Remember, when sign is different, this is a positive, positive overlap. When sign is different, and a positive, negative overlap, formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. So positive, positive, positive. This is not negative. This is positive, positive. This is addition of waves and a formation of bonding molecular orbital. Positive, negative, formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now, one more is there, that is a non-bonding molecular orbital. And how there is a formation of a non-bonding molecular orbital? Non-bonding molecular orbital. Remember, when positive, positive overlap is neutralized by positive, negative overlap, that molecular orbital is said to be non-bonding molecular orbital. I will take S atomic orbital of 1, S atomic orbital. And a positive wave function of what? S. And when P atomic and a Py, I will take Py for this. This is a Py. Here a positive electron density, here it is negative, positive amplitude, negative. This is S. This is a Py, it is perpendicular to internuclear axis. Here it is a positive, positive overlap. This is said to be positive, positive overlap. And when positive, positive overlap, formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. And here it is a positive, negative. So this overlap is said to be positive, negative, yani anti-bonding molecular orbital. And this positive, positive overlap is cancelled by positive, negative. So result is a non-bonding molecular orbital. So this is about linear combination of atomic orbitals SS, SP, PP, PD, DD, and formation of what? Non-bonding molecular orbitals. If you have any doubt, put it in comment box. Very soon I will back to you. Okay, thank you.